Today, we're diving into Car Science 101, the science that makes your ride smoother and every gallon go further. Ready to roll?
Yeah, where do we start?
Let's kick it off with tire pressure. A well-inflated tire can actually boost your fuel efficiency up to 10%. That's like getting a discount at the gas pump.
Really? So checking your tire pressure is kind of like checking for a discount.
Yeah.
What else?
You want to also unplug your phone chargers and your tablets when you leave your car because it can actually drain your battery. Lastly, a fact for you, the W in your oil type actually stands for winter. And the number before it, it's your cold weather score. The higher the number, the better it can handle the chills.
Maintaining your car isn't just about keeping it running, it's about ensuring it's performing at its best for every mile of your journey.
We've got more sweet tips on our next adventure. We'll be exploring everything from mountain trails to art galleries. Join us for more fun and fascinating car tips on the next episode of Drive On, presented by CarShield.